These are the best ways to get out of credit card debt, especially if you owe more than $20,000. Number one, get a home equity line of credit. If you're a homeowner and you have a ton of equity in your home, it doesn't really make a lot of sense for you to be paying these crazy APRs to these credit card companies when you can tap into the equity of your homes with a home equity line of credit. And a home equity line of credit kind of works like a credit card, so you have access to your equity as a revolving line. And if you don't have a balance, you don't have a payment, and you pay interest based on whatever you owe. Number two, get a home equity loan. A home equity loan is sort of like a home equity line of credit, except that it works more like a personal loan in the sense that you're now going to have a fixed interest rate and a fixed payment. It's going to be much more manageable than having all of this credit card debt. Number three, do a cash-out refinance. Let's say that you have a pretty high interest rate on your first mortgage, or maybe your rate is not so much different than the interest rates right now. You can go ahead and do a cash-out refinance and get a loan that is bigger than whatever you owe, and the difference is given back to you in cash. And if you're really smart with it, you can use the money that you were saving from paying the credit cards into reinvesting it back into your mortgage, meaning that you could now be paying off your mortgage a lot faster. I've actually seen people take this kind of strategy and be able to pay off their mortgages in about 10 to 12 years sooner, depending on how much credit card debt they have and also how much money they're saving every month. Number four, get a personal loan. Personal loan is just what it is. The problem with a personal loan is that the interest rates are going to be pretty high, especially right now. But obviously, if you can go ahead and roll a lot of this credit card debt into one personal loan that's going to give you a much more manageable payment, then you might as well do it, especially if you can save yourself some money every single month, and then now you can take those savings and put them back into the loan, and that way you can get out of debt faster. Number five, get a 0% APR credit card and transfer the balance into it. This is not going to be a long-term solution because credit card companies are not going to give you a 0% interest rate forever. You might only have a 0% interest rate for, say, 6 to 12 months. But obviously, if you have some credit card debt that you can roll into this new credit card and you know that you can pay it off a little bit quicker, then why not pay 0% interest rate? Guys, I'm a mortgage broker, and if you want me to put the numbers together for you for a home equity line of credit or a cash out refinance, either comment below or send me a DM.